This is the Tualatin Nature Reserve. Not that much to show you here except for these woods. This is located off the Max line off of Maryland 158, and I'm not going to walk the entire route around here. I'm just giving you an idea of what it looks like. I'm just shooting about a minute of this because I have not a whole lot of battery life left in here. I took a lot of videos yesterday on the 9th of September. Today's date is the 10th of September 2014. Hope everybody in YouTube land is doing good today. I just wanted to make this video on nature, the woods. There ain't really anything to see out here right now, but just thought I'd show you. You all have a very good day out in the YouTube world. Bye.